Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Rangvarsha Sarees channel lo today we will be showcasing printed Munga silk sarees. Munga silk fabric anedi it's a soft, very soft and comfortable fabric. Durable fabric, చాలా రోజులు మనకి మెయింటైన్ చేసుకోవడానికి చాలా బాగున్న ఫ్యాబ్రిక్, ఈజీలీ డ్రేప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లైట్ వెయిటెడ్ సారీస్, కంఫర్టబుల్ సారీస్, చిన్న అకేషన్స్కి, వర్క్ వేర్కి చాలా బాగున్న సారీస్ ఇవి. అండ్ ఆల్ దీస్ సారీస్ ఈవెన్ గిఫ్టింగ్ కూడా ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద గుడ్ ఆప్షన్స్ అని చెప్తాను. కంఫర్టబుల్ సారీస్, బడ్జెట్ రేంజ్ సారీస్ అండ్ మనకి డ్యూరబిలిటీ కూడా సారీస్ చాలా బాగుంటాయి. అండ్ ఆల్ దీస్ సారీస్ మెషర్స్ 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse. ఈ సారీస్ మనకి వెయిట్ ఇస్ బిలో 500 grams. సో ఈ రోజు కలెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రింటెడ్ ముంగాస్ చూద్దాం. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, you can directly visit to our store which is located in Kondapur, Botanical Garden Road, Hyderabad. And fourth one, you can book a video call slot. Me preferred time slot ki meer adigina varieties ni video call chesi chupistamu. Dani nunchi kuda you can pick your favorite sarees. The first design for today, a black with maroon color combination munga saree, the one which I have draped. It's a floral printed munga saree. Contrast black color lo throughout the body manaki floral prints anedi ostundi. And apart from that, both sides of the saree carries printed borders as well. So ila floral printed borders anedi manaku both sides of the saree ki ostundi. We have contrast maroon color 5-inch weave borders, antique gold color weave borders on either sides, and the saree comes with a printed and a zari pattern pallu. So ఇది పల్లు మనకి కాంట్రాస్ట్ మెరూన్ బేస్ మీద యాంటిక్ కాపర్ జరీ స్ట్రైప్ లైన్స్ అనేది పల్లుకి వస్తుంది. The saree carries a contrast color blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. The next color combination, this is a kalamkari pattern printed munga silk saree andi. Mustard color saree with contrast green color weave borders. So this saree carries floral printed motifs, contrast color lo grey, red and green color combination printed motifs running throughout the body. We have weave borders on either side. Green base with a gold color weaving border అనేది కూడా వస్తుంది. And this is the pallu. So పల్లులో printed and zari stripe lines అనేది ఉంటుంది. This is how the pallu looks. So ఈ పల్లు అనేది షార్ట్ పల్లు ప్యాటర్న్ లో ఉంటుంది. 70 centimeters కి కాంట్రాస్ట్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ బేస్ మీద కంప్లీట్ స్ట్రైప్ ప్యాటర్న్ అనేది పల్లుకి వస్తుంది. The saree comes with a self printed green color blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. The next one, it's a patola printed munga silk saree. The one which I've draped is a black with brown color combination munga silk saree. So this saree carries patola pattern printed motifs in brown and light pink color combination. Saree also carries contrast color borders, brown color borders on either sides with copper zari weave motifs. And this is the pallu. Saree comes with copper zari stripe lines pallu. The saree has a brown with black color printed blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. A navy blue color munga silk saree with contrast maroon color weave borders on either side. So this is the next pattern in munga silk saree andi. Again a patola pattern printed munga silk saree, contrast white color printed motifs running throughout the body with antique copper zari and borders, maroon color weave borders on either side. And this is the pallu. The saree carries a similar pattern pallu, a maroon color copper stripe zari and pallu, and a self maroon color printed blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. The next pattern in printed mungas, a black color ajrak printed munga silk saree. So this saree carries contrast color printed motifs running through the body, maroon, white and olive green shaded munga pattern. So this saree comes with weave borders, an elephant grey color border on either side, so 5 to 6 inch weave border. This is the pallu, a contrast color zari and pallu matched with an elephant grey color blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. The next pattern in printed munga, a bandhani printed munga silk saree with red and black color combination. So this saree carries contrast white color printed motifs running through the body. We have black color weaved borders on either side. On black color base, we have Rudraksham pattern weaving and geometrical weaved motifs throughout the border. And this is the pallu, a black color zari woven pallu. The saree carries a contrast color blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. The next pattern in printed mungas, a maroon with blue color combination printed munga silk saree. So this saree also comes with complete patola printed motifs running through the body in contrast beige color combination. The saree comes with copper zari weave borders in navy blue color base, and this is the pallu, a contrast color copper zari woven pallu, stripe pattern pallu matched with a blue color blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. The next design in munga silk saree, a green with maroon color combination saree. So this saree carries contrast beige color geometrical printed motifs running through the body, 5 to 6 inch printed motifs throughout the body, and we have maroon color copper zari weave borders, a 6 inch zari woven border on either side, and this is the pallu. A maroon color zari stripe pallu, a 60 to 70 centimeter zari woven pallu matched with a contrast color blouse with copper zari weave border for the sleeves priced at 1400 free shipping. The next design, a black with maroon color combination printed munga saree. So this saree comes with Madhubani pattern, a contrast beige color printed motifs, checks pattern printed motifs running through the body. The saree also carries printed borders on one side, a 5 inch Madhubani pattern printed border, apart from the maroon color antique gold zari woven borders on either sides. And this is the pallu. So pallu, it's a contrast maroon color stripe pattern pallu. So this is the combination. The saree comes with a contrast color blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. A green with mustard color combination printed munga saree. So this saree comes in patola pattern, a multicolor patola printed munga silk saree, green base. On green base you have mustard, red and white color printed motifs running through the body. One side we have a mustard color printed border, and both sides we have mustard color gold zari weave borders. This is the pallu, a mustard color zari stripe pallu. So this is the color combination of the saree. Saree comes with a self printed contrast color blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. An ikat printed munga silk saree in green with blue color combination. So the saree comes in green color base, a ikat pattern printed munga silk saree. So this saree carries beige with navy blue shaded ikat pattern printed motifs running through the body, closely spaced printed motifs with contrast navy blue color weaved borders on either side. It's a 6 inch weaved border, and this is the pallu, a contrast zari stripe pallu matched with a blue color blouse priced at 1400 free shipping. A mustard with green color combination printed munga silk saree. So the next pattern, it's a Madhubani printed munga silk saree. On mustard base we have contrast white color Madhubani printed motifs running throughout the body. We have contrast green color borders, a bottle green color zari weave borders on either sides, a 6 inch weaved border. And this is the pallu, green color stripe pattern pallu matched with a self printed blouse in contrast green color base priced at 1400 free shipping. So with this we are coming to the end of today's episode. Madhubani printed, patola pattern printed, ikat printed Munga silk sarees చూసాము. All these are priced only at 1400 free shipping. If you wish to place an order, you can click on the link in this description to place the order in website. You can also send a screenshot to the WhatsApp number which has been mentioned on the screen. Thank you and happy shopping.